Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Welcome to episode 14 on a overhaul on a non-Rex Bolex. Continuing on the governor right here at the end of my pencil eraser, you'll notice there's a small screw and I'm attempting to free that up if possible. Alright, good deal. Got movement there. That's great. So I can start cleaning this off and all the corrosion and rust that dwells there. So we can save whatever we may have to refabricate. Okay, there's the screw. Rub it right on the mat right there, put it over that way. Let me start freeing some of this stuff up. Alright. It'll take a bit of work. Okay, I've got some movement here. It's good. And there we go. Got it separated. Now, all the way around here, all over this piece, here at the base, and inside of here, I can go ahead and start cleaning all that. Focus, there we go. All that trash, corrosion, and rust. Now here, at this location of the governor, at the end of my pencil eraser, there's a micro flathead screw. Alright, it's really rusted. So I gotta see if I can work that loose, including this screw here at the end of my pencil eraser. So we'll see what kind of movement we get out of these, if any. Good. I've got movement there. That's great news. Okay. Back to this one. Here. Yeah, that one's going to be a little tight. Get back to that. Okay, here's what's happened. This micro screw here at the end of my pencil eraser, the one side of the head just broke right off. I just barely put a little bit more pressure on it. It just fell, disintegrated. With all the rust here, it's not a surprise. So what I want to do, these little wires, rather these little metal rods right here at the end of my pencil eraser, they are connected here. And they help the governor when you adjust the speed slide back and forth, depending on what FPS frames per setting you have it set on. So I really need everything to slide back a bit more, or this to, come up a bit more. So I have to kind of move these up over at the end of here, this post. If you can see this. These small thin posts are on top of here, so right in that little part at the end of my pencil eraser in the corner. They're attached right there. These have to be lifted up. That's what's going to have to happen. It's filled with so much rust, nothing can move. See this in here? See all that rust? This is why you don't let your bullets get wet and you take good care of it. Okay, so I'll show you what I have to do here due to all this rust and corrosion. At the end of my pencil eraser, you see these very thin metal rods right here, and it's connected, looped onto this one right here. Okay, if you can see that end of my pencil eraser in the corner. So what I've got to do is put the screwdriver under here, lift it up ever so gently. I can pull that up over there, just like so. like that. And now pull this part up right here, up over the weight. Okay. At least that's moving freely. Now the weights here. Start to remove these. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to keep moving on. Okay, I freed the other two up, so here we're going to go lift these up. Remove the weights. That moves smoothly, that's good. So another weight. Put it up there. Turn it around. Lift this one. Oh, that's good. And there's another weight there. Alright, so there we go. Now, gotta start doing some cleaning and getting some things moving along here. Alright, I got a little bit of movement, and let's see if we can remove this entire piece here. Okay, there we go. Put that up to the side, clean that, and see what we can do with these right here. Get all this. So, I have lubricated what's left of the governor with some 3-in-1 oil. Here in the center, where the micro screw is, then here and here. Now, I do have movement, as it should be doing. Once I remove the screw and replace it, it will allow me to clean further. So, until then, that's where we are. Do contact me at Bolex Repair Philippines FB page for servicing parts and questions. The same, email at bolexrepairphilippines@gmail.com. Do click that bell down there and subscribe for faster response. Twitter at PaulMorbid. And for gory experimental horror films, visit the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Until next time, see ya!